Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got a quick comparison review here for you. This is the Holt Bladeworks Specter V3 Refined, and this is the Holt Bladeworks Specter V3 Prestige. They are very different, of course, in price and in some specs. For example, this guy over here is a refined V3 Specter, which is sporting some titanium scales, titanium backspacer, and titanium clip. In this case, you've got just titanium scales, you got Damascus clip, and you've got a Damascus backspacer. And that's what makes this guy a prestige, because of the materials employed. The blade in this case is just a stone-washed CPM 20CV steel, and in this case you've got a pretty sick Dama steel blade going on right over here. Also, you may notice that these patterns are different. This is a feather pattern, really cool, and this is a bent starburst pattern, absolutely gorgeous. And this is sporting just aged copper patina anodization right over here, and just a gray anodization for the hardware, the pocket clip, and the spacer, which creates a beautiful contrast. Whereas in this case, you can see the fade ano, which starts from here with a pink-purple kind of look and then fades into this aqua green blue kind of thing. Is just gorgeous, guys, just really spectacular. Of course, it's on both sides, and the hardware is on of a kind of like green grayish anodization. Really cool. Of course, Damascus pocket clip is just ridiculously good, as well as the Damascus backspacer going on. Everything else is gonna be different, is gonna be the same. Like the action is just like spectacular in both of these cases. Like, just how good is this? And they are both very expensive, but of course, as you can imagine, the Prestige is gonna require a little bit extra effort in order for it to be obtained. They are both currently discontinued, so you can only find them on the secondary market, because the haptic is the new kid on the block. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick comparison review. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.